All right, go for it.
Hey everyone, Chris Hatfield here, General Manager of your favorite bullet company, Sierra Bullets. I just wanted to walk you through our process of quality control here from raw materials all the way to the finished product. So we start with our cups. We're going to take these cups and pass them through our diameter gauge here, and we're going to make sure all these cups are going to go through the same diameter gauge. If we end up having to put these through different diameters, we'll stop, we'll correct our issue, and then we'll keep on going. So another check we do on our cups is we make sure that our height is looking the same. This is going to help to make sure that we're getting the same draw every time and make sure that these can feed in our hoppers when we get them inside. So we're going to weigh these cups also and make sure that we have the same amount of material in each one of these. So in our trim area, we're making sure that all of our trim jackets are exactly the same length for whatever bullet we're going to make. We're checking to make sure we got a nice, round, smooth cut so that everything feeds really good when it gets over to the bullet press. We're also doing all kinds of visual inspections just to make sure that everything looks good. There's no scratches, dents, dings, or any bad touch or anything on the trim. At the bullet press, you're checking to make sure that your noses are as closed up as they're supposed to be, so that everything has the same point on it. You're also checking to make sure the weight of every bullet is in spec on a scale. Checking the outside diameter and the snap mic. Making sure it's nice and round. And then you have tons of visual defects to make sure that your bow tail's not out, your wrinkles look good, you don't have any wraps, there's no scratches, dents, or dings here. Your bullet taper looks good, you're checking ogive to base, overall length, all those good things that all of you care about. Oh hey, didn't see you there.
Bruh.
Guess where we are? Sierra's underground tunnel. So on top of all the quality control testing that we're doing upstairs, we're doing just as much downstairs in our underground range. So the bullet press operators will pull a sample of the lot of bullets that they're running and they'll send them downstairs in this bank tube. The sample comes downstairs, we take it out of the bank tube, and then we're going to take it into our loading room that's right here on your left. We're going to load that sample up, and then we're going to take it into our firing room and test it in some of our firearm platforms. In the firing room, you can see that we've got our barrels put on sleds. We're going to put those onto our platform here at our range, and we're going to fire a 10-round string and check our group size for accuracy. If it passes, we've got our ballistics board here that we saw upstairs as well. We're going to report back to the people upstairs by playing the Mario sound, turning that green and getting them bullets fired back up and running. We also are going to check that again at the end of the barrel to ensure that that entire lot shot front to back and the entire thing's good to go. So we're over here at our Mectron inspection machines. We're running our bullets down a track who has a bunch of lasers pointed at them. And it's going to check for a lot of things like overall length. It's going to check to make sure that our tip product has a tip in it the right direction, every bullet has a tip, and that everything looks dimensionally correct with the bullets. All right, so we've taken you through the pre-production, post-production, QC inspection processes. Our last line of defense that we have is going to be over here at visual inspection. So we are 100% visual inspection before any bullet leaves our factory. Basically, we're looking at the bullets under a huge magnifying glass, running them across the conveyor belt, looking at each one of them, making sure we don't have any dents, dings, scratches, or anything we don't like so that you are getting the best product that we can give you. All right, so at this point, that's pretty much it. We're gonna pack those bullets up into some boxes, get them on the road, and get them headed your way. So thanks you for joining us on our quality control process. This is Chris Hatfield, signing off.